Hello, we have a problem. This is our problem. Oh, that noise. So annoying. Ordered the part online. I'm hoping to fix it today. We'll get back to you and see how it goes. Okay, we've emptied out the shelf on the door. Now, according to what I've been reading, on top I have to take off that faceplate, and there's some screws underneath there. Remove that, and I should just be able to lift the door right off the bottom hinge. There's no screw down there. Well, you see one there, but I don't think that's what I have to want to do. We'll find out. All right, the first problem of the day is that this screw holding the cover plate down is not a Phillips or a flathead. It is a socket screw. But I had a set of those in the garage. We'll get that off. The screw is off. Slides forward. And this also has socket pieces on it. All right, the door came off, no problem, as you can see. After I got that bracket off, just had to lift it up, came right off. And here's the offending piece according to everything I've read on the interwebs. This piece here is damaged or loose. I have a replacement part right here I was able to order. We're gonna try that out. All right, that bottom piece, the flange is removed, or the bracket is removed. Had a little trouble with this, and the inside was breaking when I was pulling it off. Had to unscrew these two and pull it off. And here is the remains of the old bracket. Some of the tools I used to get it out. And there is the new one. Should go in nicely. The new flange or bracket is installed. According to everything I've seen, this door should go right back up with no trouble. We'll let you know about that. All right, that's the bottom of the door. We were able to put the door back on that bracket, and the door went on pretty well. Right now, it's just attached with the actual magnets from the door itself. Now I can reattach the bracket now on top. All right, now it's time for the moment of truth. Did the people on the interwebs lie? Or was replacing that bracket enough to stop that offending noise? Let's see. La! No more wacky noise. It's fixed.